yeah, my mind. Yeah, yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wondering all day. Try to keep mine, but I can't, babe. No, it's in my mind, but I'm burning. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I'm in.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cash Chronicles, and if you can't tell, we're going on a cruise. Make sure y'all stay tuned, keep watching. Your girl already has her hat on, period. I just got in my room. This is the deck.
Your attention please. The showing of the safety video from the canon TV will begin in 5 minutes.
Yeah, y'all, I gotta unpack. I am back in the room now. I just finished eating lunch on the deck. I am on a MSC cruise for 7 days. It's for like Thanksgiving. We're gonna go to a couple different locations. We go to Mexico, Honduras, as well as the Bahamas. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I'm gonna give y'all a little room tour. I don't know, the lights in here is not really working that well to really give y'all a room tour that y'all deserve, but it's just like a little bed. They have like 2 robes, I think, 2 towels, or maybe those are beach towels because they have the MSC. Oh, they gave us champagne. I wonder if this is a complimentary. Oops, some prosecco, period. And then there's this little mirror. We have to come in our room to do this safety thing, which, hey, I'm all for it. This is like the closet area. I guess they have like a little safe in here. This is like the safe area. And they have a closet. It comes with different like hangers. I have this mirror. I think this is a mini bar. I don't know if this is like complimentary or not. Actually, I don't think it is because there was definitely like a list. But they got peanuts, Canada Dry, sparkling water, a little beer vibe. And I was just saying, I don't think this is free. For water is like $5 or $3. Beers are like $8. Snacks are $4. Liquor is $10. So I don't know. I really do wonder if this is like complimentary or not.
All times. Don't use the elevator in an emergency. If there's a power outage, you could be trapped. Please make
Thank you.
Yeah. Now let me ask you another question. Let's see who.
Hey y'all, so I am back in the room right now. It's about 8 o'clock. I am still wearing the same clothes I got on the ship with because my bag is not to my room yet. And I'm like, when do you start panicking? Like, what time is like too long? You know what I mean? I'm just gonna fingers crossed that my bag comes soon. I don't even know what I started off saying, but basically I am on a 7-day cruise for Thanksgiving with my family. We're going to a couple different locations. Tomorrow is a day at sea, so I'll probably take y'all with me around the ship. I'm in this room by myself. They gave me complimentary champagne. That's a vibe. I told my mom and said that, like, come to my room in the morning, we're gonna pop this champagne. They also offered like this cool thing. They offered a complimentary bracelet and charm today. They put us on a scavenger hunt. They gave away a free charm bracelet, and then you got to bring this paper to get charms throughout the week. Right now we're waiting for the welcome charm. Y'all, the line is jumping around the corner. Me and my mom went and did that. The line was so long to do that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I find it.
This was not mine though.
Not your. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Thank
Only
you.
one?
Yes. Thank
Okay,
you. Thank you. Thank you.
Abracadabra, my bitch way better. My wrist out the motherfucker better. Fish parquet, I snook on the face. Green diamonds, I fucked up my bladder.
I'm so happy. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is the second time that happened today. Like when you start talking mess, that's when stuff happens. I'm so happy I have my bag. So, oh man, I don't even know what to say. Okay, I think I was showing y'all the charm, but basically we were on a hunt for this charm bracelet, and it's pretty like basic, and I don't know what I was really expecting. Today we got the charm bracelet, then you get a Vespa charm, lemon charm, gondola charm, diamond dish charm, coffee cup charm. Tomorrow is the Vespa charm. They're giving the charm away from 10:30 to 11, but they also offered this like gold pineapple charm. This is from like a different, I think there's 2 charm bracelets that you could get. This one's from like Diamonds International, and they also gave like a coupon, free heart diamond pendant. Like, baby, I'll be redeeming that. So I'm messing with all the free complimentary stuff. With that said, I was gonna pass time talking to y'all on here, but I actually need to get ready for dinner. Dinner's at 9:15. There's a couple different restaurants. We reserved the restaurant we want to eat Thanksgiving dinner at, and I'm glad. I'm like, hey, let's reserve the restaurant, because basically everything was kind of booked already. Like everything between 1:30 and 8:30 was gone, so we picked the 8:30 time slot. So we'll be getting dinner for Thanksgiving at like a steakhouse. None of us eat steak. If my boyfriend was here, he would have loved that. He loves steak and ribs and stuff like that. But we're just probably gonna get the chicken options. So I'm about to get dressed for dinner and head out. Hey y'all, so I just got out the shower. My bag, oh yeah, I showed y'all. I'm so happy my bag came, because baby, I was kind of stressed. So we're about to head to dinner. Dinner's at 9:15. I just threw on this little dress. I got this dress from Pretty Little Thing, super cute. I'm pairing with this like beach bag. I really love this tote. I love this purse. I think it just really gives vacation in my opinion. And then I just threw on some white sandals from Forever 21, and then you know the regular, this jewelry is Pandora. I have a Guess watch on, and then my rings and stuff are from Pandora, but the gold bracelet is from Ana Luisa. I will link them down below. I actually have a link to their website. They are doing a, well, I don't know if they're still going to be doing a Black Friday sale, but I have posted a video promoting their Black Friday sale, and I actually really like their jewelry. So just waiting on everybody to get downstairs, but I'll talk to y'all when I get to dinner.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days.
Sir, can I offer you another table, because I have a group of 27 here. A better table for you. So 5?
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
How it tastes? Okay. They did something with the broccoli. It's hard. I like hard broccoli. And the salmon with no seasoning. Not a bad piece of salmon, but you know, it probably need a little adobo and all that. But no worry, we got salt and pepper. Alright, you're scaring me now. Honey, what is this? I am currently in the process of getting ready for bed. I just got back from dinner, and then there was like a little glow party in the, I don't even know, sorry y'all, my nose is like itching. It's been itching all night. But there's like this little glow party, and I don't even know what to call this, but it's like this just central area. I'll record it tomorrow and show y'all. The music they've been playing is like that unce music, which I mean it's cool. Yeah, it's either been unce or Spanish music. And dinner was okay. I mean, dinner wasn't bad. I feel like a lot of people have like mentioned MSC Cruises food is not that good, so I didn't really know what to expect. And also, side note, I bought this from the hair store. This was called like a head tie wrap. You guys literally gentrified the do-rag. Y'all made a female do-rag. I just thought like, okay, maybe this would be good to lay down the lace, but it's literally a female do-rag. Yeah, it was like, it wasn't bad. I got the Caesar salad, the salmon and rice. It didn't look good, but it surprised me because it actually tasted pretty good. I just put a little salt and pepper on there. The dessert though was not good. I just wrapped up my hair. I am going to kind of lay down for the night. It's 12:03 right now. We're supposed to be waking up at like 8. Well, we're supposed to be going to breakfast at like 8:30. No, 8:20, because why is breakfast mad early? If you want to go sit down for your breakfast, it's like from 6:30 to 8 or 6:30 to 7. Like, who's waking up at that time? The next breakfast is at 11, but that's the buffet breakfast. And y'all, these people are savages. I haven't even got into how people have acted at these buffets. If you know anything about me, I hate germs, so the buffet is just ick. I think my hating germs came from my mom, because why does my mom have disposable bed sheets for us? Well, she has it for herself, but I'm the same way. So she gave me one of her disposable bed sheets. I have my own blanket I'll be using, and I brought my own pillowcase cover. Night 1, 6 more nights to go. Stay tuned. Tomorrow is a day at the sea, so y'all are really gonna get the whole vibe of the cruise ship. But good night, y'all. Talk to you tomorrow.
My style, my lifestyle.